The ECHOGEAR? The Sanus Premium or Kanto PDX Series? Perhaps the PERLESMITH long arm or the mounted MI372? Which one should you buy? In this video, we'll be looking at the top 5 full motion TV wall mounts available on the market today, and we'll tell you which one is best for you. We made this list based on our own opinions, research, and customer reviews. We've considered their quality, features, and values when narrowing down the best choices possible. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So here are the top 5 best full motion TV wall mounts. The 5th product on this list is the Kanto PDX Series. Experience convenient viewing with this superb adjustable mount with swivel action, allowing you to securely hold your flat screen TV from 37 inches up to 75 inches and move it in any direction to suit your needs. This articulating wall mount boasts a low-profile design that keeps your TV level and immerses you in action. With its fully articulated arm and 3-in-1 functionality, you can adjust the TV angle up to 80 degrees, tilt it from 15 to -3 degrees for maximum viewing range, and swivel it up and down for easy access to stored content. Even better, the built-in bubble levelers ensure your TV is always level, adding even more convenience to this wall mount bracket. Not only that, our solid steel structure can be easily installed on both wood and concrete walls, ensuring you can enjoy a safe and secure viewing experience without compromising your decor. The low-profile design of this mount keeps your viewing experience immersive and immaculate, while its integrated cable management ensures that your cables stay hidden and out of sight for a clean look that is both aesthetically pleasing and convenient when accessing your entertainment devices. Furthermore, the heavy-duty construction of this mount ensures it will last and provide you with reliable support for years to come. Its minimal wall space consumption makes it the perfect mount for living or game rooms. We highly recommend maximum flexibility of use to achieve an excellent viewing experience for enhanced TV viewing, gaming, and more. Its pros are: it can easily support television sets between 37 to 75 inches in size. It has smooth and secure tilting, either 15 degrees down or 3 degrees up. And it has a built-in cord management feature that can reduce the mess often created by cables and cords. However, its heavy-duty steel construction makes it tricky to hold when installing it on your own. The Kanto PDX Series is perfect for anyone who wants a more flexible way to view TV in a communal area where it's difficult to find the right angle for everyone. Up next in 4th place is the mounted MI372. Get your TV up and running in just minutes with this unit. Designed for big screens, it boasts the strength to handle even larger TVs than its intended size. Thanks to its reinforced steel construction and extended 39.8-inch extension arm, supporting TVs up to 110 pounds, it features 3 pivot points, making it easy to position the screen at just the right angle. Wall mounting your TV is the best way to save space in your entertainment room and access a wide range of motion options. Additionally, the long extension arm allows you to completely conceal your cables behind the wall, maximizing space in your living room. With tilting, swiveling, articulating, extending, and collapsing capabilities, this mount has you covered whether you need a TV mounted above or below eye level or locked in place for maximum stability. We also like its quick and easy setup and compact build that makes it ideal for corner installations or small spaces where you need more lateral room. Furthermore, this mount offers full motion capabilities, allowing your TV to swivel and tilt for the perfect viewing angle. We all want to watch our favorite TV shows, movies, and sports in the comfort of our homes, and this mount makes it easier than ever. Its pros are: its maximum weight capacity is 110 pounds, which is more than enough for newer TVs as well as many older ones. It allows it to be mounted onto walls with spacings of both 16 and 24 inches, and it boasts a 40-inch long extension arm that you can utilize to position your TV in any way you want. However, it has no paper templates to make marks while leveling it, so it can take a while to get right. The mounted MI372 helps you conveniently and comfortably watch your favorite shows no matter what room of your home you place it in. Still haven't found a full motion TV wall mount that meets your needs? Well, keep watching because we have more lined up for you. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive notifications of our next videos. The 3rd product on this list is the PERLESMITH long arm TV wall mount. If you're looking to free up space and give your living room a modern and sleek look, this next unit is perfect for you. With its full motion arm and tilt capabilities, you can achieve the perfect viewing angle for your favorite movies, sports, and shows, no matter your TV size or mounting preference. This wall mount is designed with a 42-inch articulating arm that effortlessly adjusts the viewing angle of your TV, ensuring that you can find the best angle for watching movies or gaming. The tilt and swivel feature give you maximum flexibility to get the best view from any angle. Plus, it can support up to 132 pounds, so you don't have to worry about straining your arms when it comes time to reposition your TV. Installation is a breeze, and it can hold a variety of 37 to 84-inch TVs, making it a versatile option for your home. It can be installed on 16 to 24-inch wood studs or concrete or brick walls. Its elegant and modern design will complement your decor, so you won't have to hide it in a corner. With this TV mounting bracket, you can securely and safely mount your flat-screen TV, saving space in your room and enhancing your viewing experience. Its pros are: its fixtures, 42.52 inches articulating extension arm allows users to view the screen from anywhere. It is suitable for 37 to 84-inch TVs and follows the VESA mounting patterns. And its cable management clips on the extension arm help route and organize the cables in one neat tube. However, there's quite a bit of resistance while extending or retracting the TV to its original place, which can make you feel like it's going to break. The PERLESMITH long arm TV wall mount is a must-have when it comes to setting up your home entertainment space. With its extension arm, you're able to position your TV just where you want it, allowing you to take full advantage of a large screen without wasting space by mounting the TV directly on the wall. The second product on this list is the ECHOGEAR EGLF2. This full-motion TV mount is no lightweight when it comes to holding up your precious screen time. With a weight capacity of 125 pounds, you can sit back and relax knowing your 90-inch TV is in good hands. And with a 75-inch extension, you can now watch your favorite shows from any corner of the room and always catch that winning touchdown. We also like this unit for more than just the heavy weights it can handle. This mount is compatible with most TV brands out there, including Samsung, Vizio, and LG. We're not judging if you secretly root for one over the other. Plus, with 130 degrees of swivel, you can get your TV into any position you want, whether it's to catch that final reveal of who the murderer is or just to admire your reflection on a whim. But wait, there's more. The swing-out leg mechanism lets you easily clean the back of your TV or speakers because, let's face it, dusting isn't exactly our favorite pastime. And with a sleek and slim profile, you can put it in your home theater, bedroom, kitchen, or even your bathroom. Just don't blame us if you drop the remote in the tub. Additionally, this mount is made of heavy-gauge steel support frame and premium-grade aluminum construction, ensuring that your TV is in good hands. Plus, mounting it on the wall is a surefire way to add some style and value to your space, without sacrificing design or resorting to flimsy options. So why wait? Mount your TV like a boss with this full-motion mount. Its pros are: its arms lock into place once you reach the desired position to ensure your viewing angle does not get messed up. It can support TVs ranging all the way up to 90 inches. And it comes with all its components in pre-labeled bags to ensure you have an easy time assembling and installing it. However, it does not come with concrete anchors, so they will have to be ordered separately if you need them. The ECHOGEAR EGLF2 is a great choice for HD TVs, video game systems, and other entertainment devices. It's quick and easy to set up and has included a hardware pack that features everything you need. Before we reveal number one, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Finally, the top full-motion TV wall mount is the Sanus Premium TV Wall Mount. Looking for a full-motion wall mount that will take your cinematic viewing experience to the next level? Look no further. This mount is perfect for all your favorite movies and shows, providing clear picture quality and dynamic movement that will leave you completely transfixed. With its patented fluid motion technology, you'll enjoy smooth extension, swivel, and tilt control that will make you feel like you're part of the action. And with up to 15 degrees of forward tilt, 5 degrees of backward tilt, 57 degrees of swivel left and right, and an additional 28 inches of extension, you can enjoy the ultimate viewing experience from anywhere in the room. But that's not all. This mount is also designed with high-quality craftsmanship that makes it easy to mount almost any TV on wood studs or solid concrete blocks. Its sleek modern look complements any home decor, and its fluid extension arm allows you to point your TV to where you need it most. Plus, with strong steel brackets, smooth ball joints, and heavy-duty urethane arm grips, you can count on years of reliable use without worrying about sagging or drooping. And don't forget about the built-in cable management system that keeps unsightly wires and cords safely hidden from view. You'll love the feeling of your TV floating above the wall, hanging in midair, and with the ultimate home theater viewing angle, you'll never miss an important moment again. So why settle for less? Get the most out of your wall mount with this amazing full-motion TV mount today. Its pros are: it offers patented fluid motion technology for smooth extension and swivel movement. It has outstanding cable management and a sleek design for a clean look. It's suitable for setup with wood studs or solid concrete blocks, and it provides 28 inches of extension from the wall, as well as plenty of swivel and tilt capabilities. However, it has a stainless steel finish which may not suit the decors of all rooms. The Sanus Premium TV wall mount is an absolute game changer. This top-of-the-line product boasts unparalleled quality construction and is incredibly user-friendly, making it the perfect addition to any home. You won't find a better option out there. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. If we helped you out in any way, please hit the like and subscribe button. We'll see you guys in the next videos.